How can you become lucky? Now, you might be seeing on social media, or maybe it's your family, or maybe it's your friends who say, I'm not where I'm at because I was unlucky, because I did not have the same luck as someone else. You might have tried something and you failed, and you will say, oh, I'm unlucky. Unfortunately, the other person who was successful at this became lucky. And so I can't do this because, unfortunately luck wasn't on my side. And yet that person is no different from you. Zero difference. The only difference is they were willing to see it through. They created their own luck. And so how can you create your own luck? Well, first you have to understand, what does it actually take to be successful? It takes working really hard for hours on end. It takes showing up each and every day, even on the days that you don't feel like it, even when you're not motivated, even when it is hard and you have no results to show. And it requires a perseverance, a determination that you are going to do this long after most people would have given up. And so those are the three things that you need in order to be successful at literally anything in the world. This could be a business, this could be school, this could be a high value skill, this could be social media, whatever it is you are trying to learn and you want to achieve in your life. It takes time, it takes hard work. Now, how does this relate to luck? See, the people who will never ever do anything special in their life are the people who will complain about being unlucky, that they are not able to get the same luck as someone else had. But the difference between that person and the person who's made it, the person who had that breakthrough, who was successful at learning that high value skill, at building that business, at being successful on social media, is that they didn't rely on luck. They relied on their work, on the amount of work, the amount of volume that they put in each and every day. They didn't sit around complaining, oh, I'm unlucky. Oh, this other person, he was able to do this in less time and he got lucky. He got his breakthrough. He got whatever. They didn't care about what others are. They don't care if you got lucky, if you saw success earlier than them. All they cared about is, did they show up each and every day for hours on end doing the work that they needed to do to be successful? Did they stick with it long after most people would have given up? And did they continue to have the determination and the perseverance even when it was hard, even when they were unmotivated, even when they wanted to give up? And so when they did more work, more volume, for longer than most people, they created their own luck. They created their own luck. And so this is why I am saying more work equals more luck. Of course, the people who are at the top, they got lucky. Of course, they got their breakthrough. And all you see on social media, social media only shows the good side, only shows the end result. It doesn't show the years or even decades of work that went behind the scenes in order to get to that point. But you know what the crazy thing about putting in more work, putting in more volume does? It gives you more chances to be lucky. Versus if you just put the bare minimum, if you just showed up for only 1 hour every single day, and as soon as that hour's up, you are done. Instead of, oh, let me show up today and do the work until it is done, and then I will move on with my day. And then I can do something else. Not focusing on how much time they spent, but focusing on, did I get the task that I need to get done today? And so it takes so many hours of work, so many times of trying, so many times of failing and getting right back up again, learning from your mistakes. But more work, more volume equals more luck. You get more luck. You get more chances to be lucky. You get more chances to get the breakthrough. So it makes sense why the people at the top are so successful, because they have done more volume than anyone else is willing to do. They've put in more hours than anyone else is willing to do. They've done it every single day without fail, no matter how they felt, no matter how unmotivated they were, no matter how much they did not have a result to show, and no matter how tired, how stressed, how upset, their feelings, their emotions did not matter. The only thing that mattered was doing the work day in, day out, longer than most people are willing to do, and doing more than most people are willing to do. And so if you are stuck in a situation, if you have been putting in some work and you haven't seen a breakthrough, you haven't gotten that luck that you think that you need, it's because you haven't put in enough work. Your timeline is different from others. And so there is no comparison from you towards another person. You are just as capable as that person to get every single thing that they want. And so you know the end result. You know it is possible. You simply do not and are unwilling to put in the amount of work to get that breakthrough, to get lucky. You create your own luck, and it is by the amount of work that you are willing to do. And so stop complaining. Stop sitting here thinking, I'm unlucky, I deserve this, I deserve that. You get every single thing that you put in. If you have put in enough work, if you have done the work that you needed to do, you will get the result that you need. If you haven't gotten the results that you would have wished for, if you haven't gotten the results, you have not put in the work. And that is the harsh reality about this. And this goes for anything in life. So if you want to get lucky, if you want to be at the top, every single thing that you dream about, every single material, whatever it is that you want, happiness, success, financial freedom, time freedom, if you want all of that, you have to put in more work. You have to create your own luck. You cannot rely on some random event happening and you will somehow get lucky. Life does not just give you things. You have to go out and get it. So create your own luck. And that is by doing more work, more volume, or longer than most people are even willing to do. And so that is how you get to the top. That is how you achieve anything great. That is how you learn a high value skill. That is how you be successful in any journey towards success, whatever it might be. So get to work.